Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to set up your development environment for Boomi connector development. So the IDE that we are going to use will be IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and I'm on the Boomi help page document setting up custom connector development environment, and we have two options. One is create a project using Gradle or create a Maven project. So let's try to create a new project, and we are going to use Maven, and make sure you have followed all these steps by installing Maven in your machine. So let's go to the next step here, creating your project with Maven. So in IntelliJ IDEA, once you are here, you will see your Java 1.8 version. That's good. And then you can either create a in the help document they have given you an opportunity to use this architect type to create. So you can select create from architect type, and you first try to search for Boomi, whether you already have it. Mostly you will not have it already, so add architect type. The group ID is going to be com.boomi.com connection SDK, and the artifact ID is going to be connector.sdk. The version is going to be release, and repository can leave it optional. So I think it is better to select the repository as well. So let's select the repository. So this is the repository URL. So copy this URL and paste this over here. Click OK. Now you will have this. Now if you search for Boomi, you will find the architect type. Now you select this, click next. So you're going to create a new project. So we are going to call this as first connector Maven project. You don't have to call this as Maven, but I will be taking making another session on using Gradle. So just to differentiate this. So the group ID you can change to something like to your company name, and other things can be seen. Click next. So we are going to use the bundle Maven, which is using 3.6.3. Click finish. Now you have to wait for this to build complete. You should see build success. That means it was able to create a project successfully, and it also imported the resources. For example, if you see connector.config, connector.config.xml, connector.descriptor.xml, and it also assembly files, and yeah, I think that's it. So these are the steps to create your first connector project using Maven. There will be a separate video how to use Gradle to create this project. Okay, so this is the error. Now we have these two errors that we have to fix. Now the issue that we have with this Maven, creating a Maven project from the default release is not up to date. So go to connector SDK artifacts page, and you have to make sure that the connector SDK version is correct. So Maven pom.xml should have the repository already that we have defined. Assembly. Yeah, so let's add this to your pom.xml file immediately after the version, and click on this refresh button, so it will try to import everything again. We still have these two errors, we will fix that next. Now it's complaining that connector SDK API version is not available in this link. So if you go to this connector SDK help document, and if you search for it, the current latest supported version is 2.7. so update this to 2.7, save the POM file, refresh the Maven repository, it will download, and now we have one error to fix. So Boomi util 2.3 is missing. Let's find out what is the version of Boomi util. So Boomi util is 2.3.8. so in your POM file, search for Boomi util, change this to 2.8, save, again Maven refresh. Now everything is good, there is no error. And if you go and check in the external libraries, you'll be able to see the common SDK, connector SDK API, SDK util, Boomi util. These are all mandatory things for you to develop a Boomi connector. That's all. Thank you guys.